Hello everyone, welcome back to Mom's Curry Pot. Have you ever tried making laverias at home? Laveria is a traditional Sri Lankan sweet made with soft rice flour string hoppers filled with a delicious coconut and jaggery mixture and then gently steamed. It has a soft and delicate outer texture with a sweet and aromatic coconut filling inside. The combination of freshly grated coconut, jaggery and cardamom gives the sweet a wonderful flavor and aroma that makes it truly special. This simple homemade version is easy to prepare and turns out soft, flavorful and absolutely delicious. It is perfect as a tea time sweet or even as a light dessert for the family. So, let's get started and see how to make these soft and delicious laverias at home. Let's start by preparing the dough. In a bowl, add 1.5 cups of rice flour and salt to taste and mix well. Now, gradually add 1 cup of hot boiling water and mix until it comes together. The quantity of water may vary depending on the type of rice flour you use. Cover the bowl and let it rest until it cools down. Once it cools, knead it well and make a smooth and soft dough. Now, let's prepare the filling for the laveria. Heat a kadai and add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once it's hot, add 1.5 cups of freshly grated coconut and saute for a few minutes. This step helps remove excess moisture from the coconut. Now add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, mix well and keep it aside. Next, in another kadai, add around 150 to 200 grams of jaggery along with half cup of hot water. Stir well until the jaggery melts completely. Continue cooking while stirring until the syrup reaches almost a one-string consistency. Then, switch off the flame. Now, add this jaggery syrup gradually to the coconut mixture, depending on how sweet you like it. Mix it well and cook again for a few minutes until the extra moisture disappears. Your filling is now ready. Now, let's assemble the laveria. Apply a little oil or ghee on a banana leaf and keep it aside. Fill the dough into a safe maker and press it onto the banana leaf to form a layer of thin strings. Now, place enough coconut and jaggery filling in the center. Next, using the banana leaf, fold the string hoppers from both sides to seal the filling inside. Repeat the process and make other laverias too. Meanwhile, heat water in a steamer. Once the water starts boiling, place the prepared laverias inside and steam for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, switch off the gas and our soft and delicious laverias are ready. These laverias have turned out wonderfully soft on the outside with a sweet and aromatic coconut and jaggery filling inside. The gentle steaming gives them a delicate texture, and the flavor of coconut and cardamom makes them truly special and comforting. They taste best when served warm and make a perfect tea time sweet or light dessert for the family. Do try this recipe at home and let me know how it turned out for you. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to Mom's Curry Pot for more simple and tasty recipes. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon with another delicious recipe. Until then, take care and bye-bye.